carrying secrets only night can know. In the shadows soft and bright, I can hear the ancient light. Torn a heap shining high, golden dreams across the sky. Through the dark your voice will guide, like a river, like the tide. Or stay with me over mountain, shore and sea. The wind is singing through the emerald trees, ringing echoes on the evening breeze. Far away where earth and heaven meet, I follow every golden heartbeat. The Gramo Creed don't fade away, fan lum and so till break of day. Beneath the stars so bright and free, the night unfolds its mystery. Oh, na hiki shine